Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you will be fine. Students, in the last class, I explained you question number 7 of exercise 9A. I hope there is no difficulty, no problem in this question, because nobody asked me any question from me. So today we will continue the same exercise 9A. Today I will explain you question number 8. In the given figure, AB and CD are two lines intersecting at O. These are two lines, AB and CD. These two lines are intersecting each other at point A. Calculate the following. Angle AOD. See, which one angle AOD? AOD. This one angle C. I have drawn here figure angle AOD. This one angle is AOD. We have to find angle BOD. Which one angle BOD? BOD. This is BOD angle. Then angle BOC. BOC. This is BOC angle. If angle AOC is 50 degree, this angle AOC, this is 50 degree. Students, earlier I explained you, see here on page 154, vertically opposite angles. When two lines intersect or meet each other at a point, a pair of angles form opposite to each other at the common vertex. Opposite to each other means एक दूसरे के आमने सामने. A pair of angles. Pair means two angles. Two angles form opposite to each other at the common vertex. These angles are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. So see this figure here. This one. These two lines AB and CD intersect each other at point A. This is a common vertex. Here a pair of angle is formed. See, this angle and this angle. A pair of angle is formed. A pair of angle is formed opposite to each other. One pair is this one and one pair is this one, formed opposite to each other. How we will solve this? We have to find angle AOD, angle BOD and angle BOC if angle AOC is 50 degree. This angle AOC is given 50 degree. So students, I have taken first half figure. This one is the figure. I have taken this line CD and this half line AO. Then this angle is 50 degree AOC, which is given in the question, and this angle AOD. If we see these two angles, this is a straight line. Straight line means 180 degree straight angle, and this angle is now divided into two parts, angle AOC and angle AOD. If we add these two angles, their sum should be 180, as I explained you in this question also. So how we will solve? Here in the given figure, angle AOC plus angle AOD. Angle AOD is equal 180 degree. Why? This is linear pair. Linear means straight, pair means two. Linear pair. Value of angle AOC is given 50 degree plus angle AOD equal 180 degree. Then angle AOD is equal 180 degree. This 50 we will write right side. In right side, then it will become minus 180 minus 50 degree. Then angle AOD is equal 130 degree. So value of this angle is 130 degree Now we have to find all these three angles. Now angle AOC. This angle AOC is opposite to angle BOD. Opposite means एक दूसरे के आमने सामने. This angle AOC or angle BOD and angle BOD both are opposite to each other. So these are known as vertically opposite angles. So AOC is equal angle BOD equal 50 degree. Vertically opposite angles are equal. ये दोनों एक दूसरे के आमने सामने एंगल्स बन रहे हैं, इन दोनों का मेजरमेंट सेम होता है. सो एंगल AOC इज इक्वल एंगल BOD इक्वल 50 डिग्री. दीज आर वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल्स. देन एंगल AOD, दिस वन एंगल AOD वी हैव फाइंड आउट हियर 130 डिग्री. सो एंगल AOD इज इक्वल एंगल BOC. एंगल AOD इक्वल angle BOC is equal 130 degree. Again these are vertically opposite angles. We will solve all these three parts with the same pattern. Now come to B part. In B part we have to find out angle AOD, angle AOC, angle BOD and angle BOC. All four angles we have to find out. If angle AOD is equal to twice angle AOC. Figure is same, this one figure. So again we will take same line, angle AOC plus angle AOD equal 180 degree linear pair. We will write here angle AOC plus angle AOD equal 180 degree linear pair. Now angle AOC will be written as it is AOC. And what is the value of angle AOD? It is given that angle AOD is equal twice angle AOC. So we will write this value of angle AOD here. 2 in place of angle AOD we will write 2 angle AOC equal 180 degree. Now this will be taken as 1 angle AOC. As we take x plus 2x is equal 3x. In the same way 1 angle AOC plus 2 angle AOC, it will become 3 angle AOC equal 180 degree. Then angle AOC is equal 180 upon this 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 0. Angle AOC is equal 60 degree. Now we have find out angle AOC. Now angle AOD. Again we will write this line given. Angle AOD equal to angle AOC. Angle AOD equal to angle. Value of angle AOC we have find out here 60 degree. So angle AOD is equal 62 ja 120 degree. Now again we will take the same thing. AOC equal BOD. BOD equal AOC. Again these are vertically opposite angles. BOD is equal angle AOC is 60 degree. We will write here 60 degree. So angle BOD is also 60 degree. Now this AOD equal BOC. BOC equal AOD. BOC equal, what is the value of AOD? Here we have find out 120. So we will write value of AOD. It is 120 degree. So angle BOC is equal 120. Short form students, short form for vertically opposite angles is VOA. This is vertically opposite angles. Clear? Now come to part C. Part C. In part C, what is given? We have to find out angle AOD, angle AOC, angle BOD and angle BOC. Again we have to find out all four angles. What is given? Angle AOD ratio AOC. Angle AOC is equal 5:4. Figure is same. Here what is given? Angle AOD. This angle is 5:4. So we will take this 5 as 5x. And angle AOC is 4. AOC, this is 4. We will take it as 4x. Okay. So we will write let angle AOD is equal 5x and angle AOC is equal 4x. Now again we will write the same first line, angle AOD. This angle AOD plus angle AOC is equal 180 degree. Again, what is the reason? Linear pair. So this is 5x plus 4x is equal 180. 5 plus 4, 9x is equal 180. Now this x is equal 180 upon 9. 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. 0. X is equal 20 degree. Now angle AOD. This angle AOD is equal 5x. Angle AOD is equal 5x equal 5. Put the value of x. Value of x is 20. So 5 multiplied 20. It is 25 ja 100 degree. Then angle AOC is equal 4x. So AOC is equal 4x is equal 4 into, again value of x is 20. 24 ja 80 degree. Then again, as we did in the first question, this one, we will write again angle BOD is equal angle AOC. See angle BOD, which angle is opposite to it? Angle BOD. इसके सामने angle AOC. Angle BOD is equal angle AOC equal 80 degree. AOC angle is 80 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Angle BOC. This one angle BOC. Which angle is opposite to it? AOD. So BOC is equal angle AOD. When angle AOD is 100 degree. Vertically opposite angles. Clear? Students, if you are not able to understand it or you feel difficulty, see this video at least 3-4 times. These questions are not typical, but these questions need concentration of mind, focus. If you focus, if you concentrate your mind, then you will be able to understand these questions. These questions are easy. Okay? Now, next topic. Our next topic is parallel lines and transversal line. So, what are parallel lines? See here, when two lines meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. When two lines meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. Means, suppose these are two lines. Students, I explained you what is the difference between line and line, segment and ray here. Yes, if you remember. So we are reading when two lines meet a point. If we are drawing lines, then we have to put arrow at both the ends. Then these are lines. If we do not put arrow, then they are line segments. So when two lines intersect each other or meet at a point, they are called intersecting lines. These 2 point lines are meeting or intersecting each other at one point. These lines are called intersecting lines. The point where they meet is known as point of intersection of the lines. This point is known as the point of intersection of the lines. Two lines in a plane which never meet each other. Two lines in a plane which never meet each other and are at the same perpendicular distance from each other throughout are called parallel lines. See these two lines, students. This is first line and this is second line. If you see, distance between these two lines is equal at each place, and if we extend, if we produce these two lines in both the direction, अगर हम दोनों लाइन को इन डायरेक्शंस में इंक्रीज करते हैं और आगे बढ़ा देते हैं, इस लाइन को भी और इस लाइन को भी, then they will meet or they will intersect each other? No. So these lines are known as parallel lines. Suppose this is line A B. We will write it like line AB, and second line is CD. Second is CD line. AB line and CD lines are parallel to each other. Then how we will write? AB line parallel CD. This is the symbol for parallel. See here. The symbol for parallel is this one. Now transversal line. Transversal, a line which passes through two or more lines at different points is called a transversal. Suppose these are two parallel lines and a third line is intersecting these two lines at different points. Then this third line is known as transversal line. Here. In the first figure, line M intersect two lines AB and CD. See, this is line AB, this is line CD, and this is line M. Here, intersect two lines AB and CD only one point O. Sorry, this is the first figure. In the first figure, the line M intersect two lines AB and CD at only one point O. This is the point. So M is not a transversal line. Here M is not a transversal line. In the second figure, the line M intersects the two line. Here in this figure, line M intersect two line AB and CD at two different points P and Q. So M is a transversal line. This line is a transversal line. Angles made by a transversal. When two or more lines are cut by a transversal, following angles are formed. Here two lines are cut by a transversal line M. Then following angles are formed. AB and CD are intersecting lines. Here AB and CD are not parallel lines. See here. Distance between AB line and CD line. Here note down the distance, and here. Between these two lines, distance is same? No. So if we increase this line, extend like this, and this line also extend like this, then these two lines intersect each other. But these two lines, line AB and CD, are parallel lines because here distance between AB line and CD line is same, equal. So these are parallel lines. This AB line and CD line, both these are parallel lines, but here AB and CD are not parallel lines. AB and CD are two lines cut by the transversal M. In the first figure, AB and CD are not parallel. I told you AB and CD are not parallel. In the second figure, AB and CD are parallel lines. The regions between AB and CD are the interior region. Which region is the interior region? Between AB and CD. AB and CD. Between AB and CD. कौन सा रीजन है AB और CD के बीच में? ये वाला रीजन. This is interior region. Interior region. So interior angles are formed between AB and CD. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6 are the interior angle. See here students, in this figure, in these two figures, this area is interior region. And which angles are formed in interior region? Angle 3. Angle 3 is formed with this line and this line. Angle 4 is formed with this one and this one. Angle 5 is formed with this one and this one. Angle 6 is formed with this one and this one. So angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These four are interior angles because these are formed in interior region. Same thing in this figure. Now The region above AB and the region below CD are the exterior regions. So exterior angles are formed above AB and below CD. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are the exterior angles. C. रीजन अबव ए बी. अब ए बी लाइन के ऊपर का एरिया और सी डी लाइन के नीचे का एरिया. दिस इज एक्सटीरियर रीजन. सो एंगल फॉर्म्ड दिस एक्सटीरियर रीजन, एंगल 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8. These 4 angles are known as exterior angles. So students, when a transversal line intersect 2 or more lines, then how many angles are formed? 8 angles are formed. 8 angles are formed. Out of these 8, 4 angles are interior angles, 3, 4, 5, 6 and angle 1, 2, 7, 8. 4 angles are interior angles and remaining 4 are exterior angles. Clear? You have to underline all these lines in your books. Now, in both the given figures, vertically opposite angles are angle 1 and 3, angle 2 and 4, angle 5 and 7, angle 6 and 8. Which are vertically opposite angle in these figures? See here. This angle 1 and 3, both are opposite to each other. So, angle 1 and 3 are vertically opposite angle. Angle 2 and angle 4 are vertically opposite angle. If measurement of this angle 1 is given 120 degree, then 3 will be also 120 degree. If angle 2 is given 60 degree, then angle 4 will be 60 degree, because these two are vertically opposite angle and these two are also vertically opposite angle. In the same pattern, angle 5 and 7 are opposite to each other. So, angle 5 and 7 are vertically opposite angles and angle 6 and 8 are vertically opposite angles. Clear? Today we will do up to here. Remaining explanation about alternate interior angle, alternate exterior corresponding angle, co-interior angles, I will explain you in the next class. First, you read 3-4 times up to here. And students, before starting exercise 9B, you will write all these definitions, key concepts in your notebook. All these 4 definitions. And these definitions will come in the exam, just like blank or true false. So learn these definitions. Okay, you have to write these definitions. Do not forget. Okay, students? Thank you, students, and have a nice day.